how to download Fortnite on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and then search for GeForce Now. And over here, simply open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will take you. Now over here you can play Fortnite, and not just Fortnite but almost every other game out there. Simply click on join today and this is where it will take you. You can join up the free section over here, or you can also go with the purchased ones and you can simply join the free one in the beginning to check this out. And after getting the free one, simply download this option of GeForce Now and it will be available for Mac as well. After downloading it, simply open it up and link your Epic Games account with GeForce Now. You would be able to do it by opening up the settings of GeForce Now, and this way you would be able to see the Fortnite game by searching it up. Then just select you own the game and you would be able to play it quite smoothly. And this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.